Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can get the premium, how you can get the paid version of the MyFitnessPal website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to the website, and after going to the website, what we have to do simply we have to click on this premium option. So let's click on the premium option, and here you will get every detail that what it will cost and what will be the price and what we will get in the premium option. So let's get started. So we have to click on this premium option. So let's click on this. So as you can see, after clicking on this, what we have to do, if you want to get a free trial, you can also get that. You have to click on the start free trial. And after clicking on this, you have to provide your payment details. And after providing the payment details, you will get the monthly free trial. And after that, you will be charged in your currency. In my currency, I will be charged for 5,200. As you can see, what you will get, you can also read those details in details. You have to provide your payment details. And after that, you will be charged. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this, how you can get the paid one. So see you guys in the next video.